Yes, we are bringing you people news from Nepal. The anti-corruption protest going on in Nepal, you can see, look up, you see what is really going on. A lot of destruction, a lot of maiming by the army, and also the youths, the Gen Zs are really destroying, almost catching all the politicians, dealing with them squarely. Listen, Nigerians, Buhari called you people lazy youth because you cannot repeat or replicate what other youths from other countries are doing. Look at what is happening in Nepal, Kathmandu. Look at what is going on there. This is what they call protest. This is what they call when it has gotten to this level here, when it has gotten here. That is the situation. That is full, close to revolution. That is what is happening. Do you get the point? Nigerians, when you come out to protest, 2-3 days you start to scramble for pure water. You start to steal things from shops. Instead of you to achieve something, answers you people didn't achieve anything. The bad governance, you achieved nothing because of lousy and useless youths that they have in Nigeria. Very lazy youths. Come out for protest, chase all those animals, those politicians. From, for example, Wike should be fished out. All the governors, all the politicians, even himself, the head of state, the president should be fished out immediately. You guys cannot do anything. When they throw crumbles to you guys, you dive it. 1,000, 2,000, 5,000, to the extent that they are bribing your future, and you keep quiet. You think things, you guys are thinking that Nigeria will be good. Nigeria will not be good. I tell you, Nigeria is too corrupt, and the more you relax in your comfort zone, which you guys do not have. You don't have any comfort zone, but you claim to have. The more you stay in your comfort zone, the more they rip you guys off. So I urge you guys, if you want to come out for protest, it's just an advice. It's an advice. If you people like, do it. If you don't like, leave it. Borrow from what others are doing. Look at what is happening in Nepal. Look at the crowd that came out. It's almost like the whole country come out to protest, and nobody can stop them. Even the military, no matter the size of the military they have, they cannot be stopped. That is what you call a very sensible and active youth, not lazy youth, Nigerian lazy youth. You guys don't want to succeed. You don't want to survive. So stay in your comfort zone and relax, hoping that Wike will call me to come and serve him. Then I will make money. Hoping that Sonwolu will, maybe by mistake you get contact through Sonwolu, then things will be better for you. If things is okay for you, what about your relatives? What about your friends? What about your families? That is the reason why we keep telling you people, reminding you to do the needful. Come out for protest and mean it, not just coming out. If you know you don't want to come out, if you know that you guys are not ready, don't talk about it. Don't even plan it. But when you are ready, when it is really time for you to come out, for sure, nothing will stop you guys. But if I were you guys, I will come out, because this is the time. This is the time. You don't need to wait for 2027. No, 2027 is already late, because what they have done right now to deprive you from feeding like a human being, you are not feeding like dogs and rabbits. They throw rubbish for you to chop. You don't have anything to eat. The electricity is not there. Water is not running. No food. No good roads. The education is zero. The healthcare is zero. What else do you want? How then do you want to survive? Most of the doctors has run away. The nurses are out. The most intelligent and smart people have gone out of that useless contraption. I don't know what you guys call it. But all I'm telling you, if you people want to protest, if you people really want a change, you know what they call change? This is how to change a situation. Almost all the politicians should be fished out from their corners, from their hiding places, from their homes, from those their palatial buildings and mansions. Everything should be brought down if you guys are serious. You understand? When you bring them, you see they are running to nowhere. Make sure you target them to get all of them. They will vomit all the money and the country will change for good. But if you people continue to stay in this lousy comfort zone or this kind of situation that you people feels every time you are thinking of, if I have chance to meet Dangote, if I have chance to meet Obi Kubana, it's going to make me a big man. If I meet Otedola, or maybe I need contact of Otedola, is that Otedola that will take care of your generation? Let the government is the one that has to do what they got to do to fix the infrastructures and make things very, very, affordable for people before the private companies can come in. If you guys do the needful, borrow a leaf from what others are doing. Those that are changing their country, those that are changing their situations, this is what you guys need to do. Do not wait for 2027. 2027 is too late. It's very, very far. Before 2027, anything can happen to you. So this is the time. Plan it very well. Don't accept any sellout. If you come out for protest, come out for protest. Even if it warrants you to sleep there for 1 month. Stay there. Stay there. That 1 month will change your life forever. Do not come out for protest and go back empty-handed. Come out with an objective and actualize that objective. That is the only way you can save yourself, your family, and your entire generation. I don't want to overflog this matter because the ball is in your court. If you like to change your life, take the bull by the horn. That is just the situation. That's all I've got to say. Look at what is happening in Nepal and change your situation right now. Because if you are waiting for Tinubu, if you are waiting for Sanwo-Olu, if you are waiting for Soludo, if you are waiting for Wike, if you are waiting for Akpabio, all of you will buy and their families will be fine and they will continue to loot. They will even fix their children after you are gone. So this is the time for you guys to move. Think and think very, very fast. There is no time. Don't play. Don't play.